Hi everyone, welcome to Coding for Kids program by Extrabit Mangalore. This is the review of session 6. So far we discussed what is Python, types of Python, variables, operations, interactive programming by using input and print function, the turtle module, the eval function, decision making and branching by using if else and elif statement, different types of loops, while loops and for loop, then string and list, adding color to turtle graphics. Today we are going to discuss about functions. So what is function? Functions are the block of organized reusable code used to perform single or related set of action. Function is nothing but a subprogram. So if you are writing, instead of writing a complicated program, we have to divide the complicated program into number of functions, and we can assign one task or more than one task for each function. So we can improve it. It provides better modularity and high degrees of reusability. We can improve our programs. So the advantages of using Python, using functions in Python, it will make us, it will be helpful for detecting and correcting error. Okay, then better modularity and high degrees of reusability. Python support built-in functions and user-defined function. Built-in functions means the function which is already available in Python library, function which is already available in Python modules and libraries. User defined function means the function which is created by ourselves to do anything as we want. Okay, so built-in function and user defined function. So far we have used many type of built-in function like print, like input, like forward, like circle, left, right, etc. So many function built-in functions already discussed in our previous sessions. Today we are going to discuss about the user defined function that is used in Python. So how to create user defined function, what's the syntax? Okay, so first we have to define function, then we have to call the function. So how to define a function? First we have to use the def keyword followed by the valid function name, followed by parenthesis. Within that we can write any number of arguments, followed by the colon. Then with the proper indentation you can write the body of the function. So from def to this colon, it is known as the function header, and statement we can call it as function body. Okay, so remember we have to define a function by using def keyword, then we can use a function name, then we can specify the argument that we want in our function, then we can write the body of the function. Okay, so after defining a function we can call our function by using function name followed by the argument list. Okay, so we can call a function by using the name of a function with the arguments. Let us discuss one example. So here I am creating my own function to find the cube of a given number. Find the cube of given number. So I have used the keyword def followed by function name followed by the arguments or parameters. Okay, then inside the body of this particular function I am calculating the cube of function. How to calculate the cube of a given number? Multiply same number again 3 times, so x into x into x. Okay, so x cube. Then we can send the result to the calling function, so we can use the keyword return a result. Okay, then outside the function we can create one variable called value and we can call the function. So this is function call. Cube of 3 is nothing but function call. We are calling a function by using function name cube followed by the value. So here argument is 3, so 3 is copied to x. Okay, now the value of x is 3, so result is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, and 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, so 27. Okay, so value 27 will be assigned to the variable called value, so value equal to 27. Now we can print the value, so value, it will return 27. Okay, remember inner box you can see this function definition, then outer block it is nothing but function definition with the normal programs. Okay, and note down the indentation. Fine, now we can have two terms. First one is formal argument, second one is actual argument. Okay, the argument which is used inside function call. So here cube of 3 is a function call, so 3 is actual argument. So definition, the argument which is used in function call is known as actual argument. Similarly, the argument which is used in function definition is known as formal argument. So this is function definition. So in this within the parenthesis we are writing x. So x is known as formal parameter, or formal argument. Okay, so actual argument means the argument or parameter defined as part of function definition, that is formal argument. The actual argument means what? The actual parameter sent to the function during function call. Okay, so 3 is actual argument. Next, scope of variable. Okay, so there are mainly two type of variable, local variable and global variable. The variable which is defined inside a function is known as local variable. The variable which is defined outside the function is known as global variable. Okay, so the local variable can be accessed only inside the function in which it is defined, whereas the variable can be accessed throughout the program by all other function as well. So local variable scope is within the given function, lifetime till the termination of the function. Similarly, for global variable, the scope is till the end of the program and lifetime also till the end of the program. Okay, so global variable can be used within the function as well as outside the function, whereas local variable it is used only within the function. So in this example, the given program, here you can see the program. Result is local variable. Result is a local variable. Okay, similarly value is global variable. So why result is local variable? Because it is written, it is defined within the function, so scope of result is remains within the function, whereas value which is written outside the function, so the scope of value remains throughout the program. Okay, so value is global variable whereas result is local variable. Now we can see some of the example. Find the largest of three number using function, find the area of rectangle using function, find the area of circle using function. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So first one, find the largest of three number. So we have to take three numbers as input, then we have to check which is the largest one. Okay, so we have to write function to find the largest of three number. So first we can define function by using keyword diff, then function name largest, then we are accepting three parameter a b c. A b c are the three numbers. Okay, we need to find which one is larger. Then by using our if statement we are checking whether a is greater than or equal to b and a is greater than or equal to c. If a is greater than or equal to b and a is greater than or equal to c, then it will display big is equal to a. Otherwise, it will check whether b is greater than or equal to a and b is greater than or equal to c. If it is both are true, then it will return big is equal to b. Okay, if first condition fails and second condition fails, then it will go for the else part. Okay, it will display big is equal to c. Okay, so what is shown in this red color is nothing but function definition. Now we have to write the complete program. So first we need the value, we need three number. Let's say a b c are the three number. So we need to take the value from the user. So we are writing int of input enter a number. Okay, so user will type a number, say for example 25. So 25 will be assigned to a. Then again b is equal to int input enter a number. So we'll get a message enter a number. So I entered 10. So 10 will be assigned to b. Next again I will get a message int input enter a number. So I got a message enter a number. So I wrote 35. Now remember a is equal to 25, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 35. Now I want to find which is larger, whether a or b or c are the big or larger. So I call function largest of a comma b comma c. So control goes to this function and a will become 25, b will become 10 and c will become 35. Now it will check whether 25 is greater than or equal to 10. Yes, but 25 is greater than or equal to 35. No. So the control goes to elif statement. It will check whether 10 is greater than or equal to 25. No. Okay, so it will execute the else part. It will say big is equal to c. So we'll get big is equal to 35. So we got the value big is equal to 35. Clear? Then find the areas of rectangle using function. Now we should know what is the formula to find the area of a rectangle. As we know, the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth. So we can define a function by using keyword def. Then we can write a function name rectangle. Then we can say the values of length and breadth. Okay. Then area is equal to length into breadth. Print area of rectangle area. So we are displaying the value of area. Okay. So what is seen in blue color is nothing but function definition. Now outside the function we can take two variable length and breadth. We can ask the value from the user. So user can enter the value of length and breadth. Okay. Then after getting the value length and breadth, we can call the function by using the function name rectangle with the value length and breadth. Remember, length will be copied to length, breadth will be copied to breadth. Okay. Then if you execute this program, you will get first message enter length. This one will be executed, enter length. So you can enter 2.5 or any other value. Then you will get the next message enter breadth. Because of this, enter breadth, so I can enter 5.5 or any other value. Okay. Then we are calling function length into length comma breadth, so it will be displayed 2.5 comma 5.5. Okay. Calculating area 2.5 into 5.5. Okay. Display the values of area, so I will get the value 13.3, sorry, 13.75. Now next question, find the area of circle using function. So we know the area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. R is nothing but radius, pi is nothing but 3.14 or 27 by 22 by 7. So let's write function definition def, then function name circle, then we need radius, so r. Okay. Then the formula area is equal to pi, that is 22 by 7 into r. R is nothing but radius. Then display the values of circle area. Area of circle area. Clear? So this is function definition. Then we outside the function we have to take the value from the user for radius. So we can write a message enter radius. So we will get a message enter radius of a circle. So you can enter any value. So I entered 5. Okay. Then this 5 value will be assigned to radius. So radius will become 5. Then we are calling a function circle with the value. Okay. So here radius equal to 5. So it will be replaced. R will be replaced with the 5. So it will find 22 divided by 7 into 5 into 5. So we'll get this value 78.57142857142857. Okay. So that value will be displayed. Clear? So it is very easy and it is interesting writing program by using functions. Now you have to complete these two assignments. Find the volume of a cube, find the volume of a cuboid. Hint is given for volume of cube. You have to use this formula. Volume is equal to side into side into side. Similarly, for cuboid, you can find the volume of cuboid by using this formula, length into breadth into height. Okay. So for question number 3, you have to take the input side from the user. For question number 4, you have to take the input for length, breadth and height from the user. Okay. Then you can write function, then you can display the value, you can call the function. Fine. Try to write your own program. If it is wrong also, no problem, but if you are writing your own program, you can learn a lot. So next we are using this concept called function for drawing graphics, random spirals using function. Okay. So random spirals using function. So we need to create random spiral by using function. So first here you can see common, right? Import random, then import turtle. So we are importing random module and turtle module. Random module to get random number, turtle module to get create turtle programs. Then we are defining creating t as a turtle pen object. Then t dot speed, we can control the speed of drawing. Okay. Speed of 0 means fastest. Okay. So if you write speed of 1, it will become very slow. Okay. So if you want to increase the speed, keep it in maximum, you can say speed of 0, it will be very fast. If you want to make it slow, you can replace speed of 0 with 1. Then you can change the background color of your turtle graphics. Then you can create a list of colors. So till here you are already familiar with the last session. Now we are writing the function definition for random spiral. Okay, for that we are creating def random spiral function name. Okay, so no parameter colon. Then t dot pen color. Okay, so we are setting the pen color by using random choice function. We are using a random choice function. So random choice function will select the option from the list. So we are passing color as a list. So here we can have many colors, right? So randomly it will pick one color. Sometimes it may pick yellow, next time it may pick orange, next time it may pick gray or white or green, like that. Randomly it will pick one color from this list at a time. Then we are writing size is equal to random dot rand int 10 comma 40. So you have to draw the random spiral by using random size. Okay, so you can use size should be in between 10 or 10 to 40. It will take any number in between 10 to 40 for drawing a random spiral. Okay, then we need to set the value for x and y. Okay, so how to set the value for x and y? For that you can use random dot range minus turtle dot window minus width divided by 2 turtle dot window width. Okay, divided by 2. So it will take the range from the minimum value of this window script to the maximum value of this window width. Similarly, you can set the height for y random dot rand. Here you can see the minimum height of the screen, maximum height of the screen. Okay, so we are setting the value for x and y. Now we are calling the function t dot penup, then c dot set position. So we are setting the position of this screen by using this parameter x and y. So x is x coordinate value, y is nothing but y coordinate value. So set position x coordinate value and y coordinate value. Then pen down. Okay, and draw the spiral for m in range size t dot forward. So take this value for, so move this much pixel, then t dot left. Okay, turn left with angle 91 degree. Okay, so how many image random spiral we need to create? We need to create 50 random images graphics. For that we are using for n in range 50. Okay, so draw 50 random spiral. Draw 50 random spiral. If you want 100, then you can write instead of 50 you can write 100. If you want 1000, instead of 50 you can write 1000. Clear? So this is function definition, this is function code. So let me execute this program and show the output. I copied, I'm executing. Okay, so you can see here randomly very fast, right? Because we said speed is equal to 0. So every time it draws a spiral quickly. It will takes, it will goes to random point in the screen, draw the spiral. Go to random point, draw the spiral. Go to random point and draw the circle, sorry, spiral. You can see the colorful spirals. Fine. So in this program, if you set this value of speed from 0 to 1, now you can see the change. It will become very slow. First one drawing very slow. See, you can see each and every line. So that much slow. So we don't have patience to wait all 50 spiral with this particular speed. Okay, so if you have time you can wait and you can see. For the time being, let me execute this particular program and let's go to our presentation. Okay, so this is nothing but Cartesian product plane. Okay, you can see x-axis, y-axis. Okay, so here we have taken the value in 4 quadrant. So this is positive quadrant for x and y. Here you can see the value of x is negative, value of y is positive. Here you can see both the value x and y negative. Here you can see x is positive but y is negative. Here you can see 0 0. This is nothing but origin. Fine. So at this point, you should be able to do the following: make code more reusable using function, organize and grow group code into a functions, define function in Python using def keyword, call your own function from program that you write, define and use function that accept parameter as input values. Be ready to try more advanced fun program in next session. If you have any question, you can type in the comment, type as comments. Okay. So thank you for attending the session. Have a wonderful day.